Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you the top 3 flatland seeds in Minecraft PE. Okay, uh, start game. The third one is flat ice. Flat ice is not actually a flat ice, it's more on a dirt-based flat land. They are mountains, but there's a lot of spot that is pretty flat. I'm gonna show you. Sorry. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Yes, there is ice, but it's not that flat. I mean, there's a flat here. It's actually it's kind of a hill actually here. That over there is lands. Okay, there's a flat one over here. You can build a building or whatever. And there's a flat land over there. It's more in a grass block based flatland. And there's floating blocks and black flatlands. So this is number 3 in flatland. It has to be look at your keyboard. It's look at your keyboard, no spaces. It's a pretty flat land. I built a city there. I mean, there's hills, but there is ice too. See, it's flat. I built a city here. Yeah, and over here I built a city here. It's pretty flat, not that flat, but it is flat. You could build a city, you can build a building, you can build a house or whatever you like. And here it's kind of flat, but it's more of a hill than a mountain. And mountain. I thought that was floating block. It wasn't. Yep, and the bad lighting over there. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I should edit. I should edit. Never mind. Top 2. Oh man. And the top 1 is called blank. The seed is blank, B-L-A-K. Blank is there. There is a huge ice blank. You can see here. This is just a huge. This is the really flat land. It's the most flat land I ever saw, but it's based on ice. And there's the ocean over there in the island. Actually, you can build a little house with a pool there. You know, there's a pool. And this is pretty big. You can build a big city. And you can like build a village. And yeah, there's a little island here. And one little island there. And there is not ice part. It's a hill and a great mountain. Oh, I thought that was floating block. So this mountain. That is the first one I showed you. That is the ice. This is just mountain. I was supposed to make this video with my cousin, but he is still asleep. So, okay, this is top 1. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe. Leave a comment if you have a seed that you want me to show others, or yeah, just leave a comment. Please subscribe and like. Bye. Oh, sorry.